Introduce yourself.
I don't know married man, we're about long time. Let's go back in our video archives. We're there man.
So this is Garth, in case you aren't aware of the video archives.
If you're a new follower, just know say we usually there from the beginning.
And we have
Stacey.
Okay.
I don't know what to say. I'm Stacey.
She's Stacey. So today we are going to be doing a video where basically we're gonna react to some scenarios and kind of see, find out what would we do if it was us. So let's get started. So these scenarios are from Reddit, from the Am I the Asshole column thing that they have. So first one, ready? Don't be nervous, promise. Also, I'm very bad at reading, so so if I hear things that don't make no sense, I apologize. So this one says, we, 25-year-old male, 26 female, have separate places, but she always wants me to come and stay with her. I do most times, even though my place is actually closer to where my job is. When I was getting off work, she called me and asked me to come over, and I asked her what she had cooked. She said she hadn't made anything and she was too tired to cook, but she had some leftovers. So I said, never mind, don't worry about it, I'ma just head home. And then she got mad and said, oh, so you will only come over because I cook for you? You don't want to spend time with me? And I said, I do, but I'm hungry and my place is closer. I don't want to waste gas and money driving all the way over there just to eat leftovers. Am I right? If I'm going to eat leftovers, I might as well just do it at my place. And I did. And then she kept sending me screenshots of her group chat bashing me. So there's so much to unpack here.
Right.
So much.
So I feel like there was a nicer way to say all that.
Yeah.
There's an easier way to say, yo, I don't really want to come here. I'm done hungry, and if I leftovers we're going to eat, might as well do it at my yard. There's a nicer place. He could have even asked her to come over to his house then. That could have been an arrangement.
They could have ordered food.
Yeah, like, you never want to eat leftovers, buy food and go.
Buy food and go.
You never want to go. That's a real problem.
You know, like how no bed don't comfortable like your own bed, or like no space is really as comfortable as your own space. Now for the time he must say him go over there. And as men we do them something. You do them something for, make the person in a relationship feel comfortable, etc. But none wrong if she come over female, especially if the food not cook already. She, on her way, she could have pick up the food, or on him way home.
But okay, what if she don't drive?
Take her over, a friend. He could have worked out.
To me, him clearly don't like her as much. Like, you're coming over to eat or you're coming over to hang. But then no, because it could be that he's just kind of always going to her house. And then the commute to work or whatever. He goes, I always go to her place, even though
if I care feelings.
Yeah, if I care. If don't like the girl.
No, maybe
if don't like the girl, what is that extra drive when you have spend time with somebody in your life?
And then we could think that
don't make excuses.
No, maybe I'm tired and he must say, yo, why must drive so far and me live right or so?
But then
she can just come over my yard.
And
you talk about excuses, how you know she don't drive. You say, how me know she drive, how you know she don't drive.
Him say, him not gonna waste gas.
How you know she don't drive? You don't answer my question.
My business if she drive. Me business. So you supposed to come over my house and hang out, and because me not cook, you say, well, my G, please. Like.
No, him could have, as I said, there's a nicer way to say it. However, she could have linked him. If she didn't really like him, she could have said, okay, baby, I understand. May I come link you? Because he never said don't want to say, no, he's not saying hungry. He's just hungry.
And buy food. Hungry people buy
He can buy the food in between him, the work and the house. So right so, go home and say, baby, come link me. The food is here. You can fall out and we can eat and hang out.
Rush food to not even leftovers.
But what I would like to unpack is a group chat.
Also, she's the asshole for doing that.
I feel like that sounds like it's like an immediate thing, like yo, look what I'm saying, now look how many like.
So they don't like them one another.
They don't.
If you send me not about a screenshot, I'm gonna just delete it, I'm just end chat, because that doesn't mean
what we are talking about for true? Why
mean nothing to
why you are bashing me in your group chat?
Yeah. Over that, like that's not nothing for really.
Yeah, make a left. It's what we know.
Why you don't want to put that in a group chat? You don't have a friend where you can reason with one way you want.
None of your friend.
You want 6 of your friend, you must say all of this?
This is a nonsense, I am man.
And And then I go friend back after this either which week. So it done in your mind, say, oh, you know, so that boy, him never want buy no food and go around. And any little thing happen, them I go left the boy. And I think they always
I never want waste.
I never want waste gas, so what you think him I go waste no money? I go foreign and vacation and them little thing there. Don't post them thing there in your group chat, because your friend them I go think that email.
I'm a lie. Some relationship things you must just suffer in silence. Because once your friend them know,
she can just go in and can't do that.
once your friend them know, everybody gonna know say you say yeah made, and then wow now me gonna have to left him because everybody knows say I'm this.
There you go.
Okay, so I, a 27 female, have been dating my boyfriend, a 20-year-old male, for only 2 months. We haven't even been intimate yet because we can't see each other due to the pandemic.
Makes sense. Anyway, go on.
We're always video chatting since it's the only way we can see each other physically without breaking social distancing. The problem is that he will call me and I can tell he's on the toilet because, well, he's making pooping grunts and the face. Plus, I can see that he's in the bathroom. I've told him numerous times that I don't feel like we're at the point in a relationship yet where I want to watch him poop, but he always says I'm being dramatic and crazy because when we live together, I'll obviously be seeing him poop. So the last time he called me and I could tell he was pooping, I asked him, are you seriously pooping again while we're on video chat? And he says, yeah, so what? It's not like we're never gonna see each other pooping when we live together. And I replied, just call me when you're done taking a shit, and I hung up. We're obviously not in a big fight or anything over this, but I want to hear from people on the outside if I'm being dramatic and crazy, or if I have the right to not want to witness him pooping so early in the relationship.
Right, so 2 months. 2 months them there, and homeboy is talking about when we live together.
That is the part that stood out to me. Like, are we gonna live together? Ew, like, I don't know if I like you.
Like, if I'm there with you, if I'm there with you, I never really feel like, this might sound bad, but I never really feel like social distance really have anything to do that if you're not in a relationship with the person.
I feel like them could have said them on another, like,
like there must be another element, like unless it's like long distance work.
Maybe them live in different states or so.
It must, and the state them would have to go far because if you stay to you can drive.
They just drive good, like
you talk to
we can't see each other.
Puss in a bag, that brother. Puss in a bag, your bag. You can't do that. No, so when I see 2 months would have passed and well, maybe the physical saw each other before and the pandemic thing started or whatever the case is, but the 2 months can't exist and me not see you. But maybe say the 2 months and how it reach say them are gonna live together and
that's the part for me, like that's the bigger issue because
like am I sure I like you? Why are we gonna move in together?
We haven't even had sex yet.
We don't even do nothing yet. Like, I'm sure I like you enough to even want to move in with you. Like, I know.
That is why you should not have been in a relationship until you know if you like the person.
So but maybe
not relationship.
Yeah, but maybe they have really good chemistry in conversation.
But not while pooping apparently.
Let's get to that.
Is that weird? Like in general?
2 months in.
I feel like that's a little weird.
It's a little close.
Yeah.
And not to say that everybody knows we are all human beings. We all have to poop on whatever the cases. But I'm not going to video chat about a bit much. You get me? I say you're not going to hear it after.
Alright, here we go. This next one I'm going to give the Cliff Notes version because it's too long. So basically, this man was going on a business trip and he needed somebody to watch his dog. So he asked his friend to watch the dog, and she left the dog food there and everything that she would need, and say if anything happened, call me. She's vegan. That's important.
That's a very
the friend who he left the dog, right?
Is vegan. So when he comes back now, he notices that there's a whole different brand of dog food at the house, and he's like,
she got my vegan dog food.
So he's like, the food when we didn't make done. She goes, no, I threw it out. Like, it had real meat in it. You can't give dogs meat.
Okay.
So she throws away all of the dog food that he has, buys the vegan one, and also throws away all of the meat outside of his fridge because she's vegan. And then, so he comes home, sees that there's no meat in the fridge, and the dog has whole new dog food, and then she's like, okay, so pay me for dog sitting now. Here, so he wants to know if he's an asshole for refusing to pay her.
No.
Absolutely not.
First of all, that's an invasion of privacy. We are doing on my fridge to show up my meat. You are vegan, not me. Dogs are animals, you know, and they eat meat. They're actually carnivores. That's what they do.
I
they
was
eat
so upset.
meat.
You never did know say me eat meat and my dog eat meat before you agree to you go watch my dog. You should tell me now.
But I don't, on the premise that she expected to get paid, I feel like it wasn't a favor, it's more of a, like she probably
people pay people to...
Yeah, I know, but I mean, the context he gave us is that she's a friend, so you have to ask your friend, you know, just make sure my dog gets some food and
Well,
water.
it looked like them did have some arrangement to pay her, but yeah, that's what I mean, some food. See the money there. Oh, I'm afraid, see the money there.
In general, I don't have a problem with vegans, but as a matter of principle, I have a problem with her. Because me not see
she's
how...
trying to impose
And it's
her
just like we
beliefs
see a
on-
video the other day. Yeah, impose your beliefs on people. We see a video the other day, some vegan women walk into KFC
And pour blood all over.
Why you not do something like that? And it's the people that have to go clean it up.
Did you see the man?
The man goes and wipe him foot
Like,
blood.
she dropped the blood and like it splashed on him. The man literally took up his foot and just wipe it off on the girl.
That's what she
But
she
I'm
deserve
saying,
far more than that.
but I am going to want KFC and dash blood. I only the KFC worker them go wipe it up. Like,
Oh, that-
but them
But
make
generally
money from
speaking,
KFC.
vegans always have this way of being very aggressive with people. Like
Not me.
people who are not vegans don't come and attack vegans at any point in time.
How could you only eat vegetables?
Yeah, like
Nobody
No,
cares. Eat what you want. Nobody cares.
so
Some
why are
people
they
eat
so
fish, some people
preoccupied
eat
with what other people eat? Like sis,
Right.
in
Oh,
looking
it's not
to say
that
whatever
serious.
you told you and
I'm fighting the girl.
The friendship
I'm
is done,
fighting
you know.
the
The
girl.
friendship
Yeah, we're
done.
not friends.
You go in on my fridge and see me have the steak and my chicken and
The man
everything.
said him buy lobster and steak and then she dash with the whole light. as a lobster guy.
No, brother. She got too far.
She's definitely that.
She got too far.
Sure.
And a matter of fact,
And then I come
the
out
friendship is
pay
done.
you.
The friendship is done. The friendship needs to be over.
My girlfriend of almost 3 years just bought a new condo and that we recently moved into. She works a full-time job and for the past year also worked a part-time job to save for the down payment and the maintenance costs. She bought it just 2 months ago, then had to buy a wash and dryer and fix plumbing, etc. whatever. My family goes on a yearly trip to my home country, Japan. We have relatives there. My girlfriend could not afford to go because of the recent expenses related to the condo. My older brother was very curious as to why she's not coming on the trip. When I told her I heard there so she could not afford it, he asked, but you can pay for her to come, so why not do it? He knows I have a lot of money saved since I lived with our parents until I was 26, rent-free. He also advises me on investments and that have done it. I told him it is not my job to provide a vacation for her, that she is an adult. She was shocked and thought it was a disgrace that she worked 2 jobs to provide a place for us to live. Us.
Them live together?
As it said, they're moving together. He even offered to pay for her to come, although I think he just said that to piss me off. So am I the asshole?
For sure.
Yeah.
100%. Me must work full time and
You're
part
moving out of
time.
my house. You're my own. No, you're moving out.
She work hard.
No.
She save the money for the
To the whole
deposit and
job.
buy the house. And have to put in wash and dry. And the 2 of them living there. And him up. So hold on. So during all of that, him have money clearly.
And him not
as you
contribute
say, and him not buy the wash and dry. Him not pay the deposit.
Nothing.
Him not pay part of the
Nothing,
mortgage.
no.
Nothing. And him can't pay for her.
And then I come talk about, oh, it's not my duty for her to pay for
And
the
then
whole
3 years,
vacation.
I never
3 years?
fair duty to
No.
put him up in the house.
And that him lucky I'm homeless.
Nah, man.
You can go back and parents.
Him can go back and pay
Rent-free.
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 Him
Him not
homeless.
go back. Him have money. Him can go buy a place too.
Well, clearly, oh,
No man, him wicked man. Him wicked. Me tell you
First
the
of all,
truth. Him wicked.
let me ask, isn't it standard for men to pay for vacations?
Well, I would like that
Hold
to
on.
be the standard.
You go
However,
harder now. Hold on.
Oh,
Let me say,
oh.
what I'm saying is,
I don't
let's
feel
caveat
like
that.
I feel like there has to be an agreement that if we're going on vacation and I can't afford it.
Then
But
you can. You pay for it.
You pay for it like,
So the thing is, if you have the money, you can pay for it.
yeah.
You're not gonna miss the money either which way. You have the money, you can pay for it. So I don't know about the standard being that men pay for the weekend. Because you know, things rough. Only supposed to can work it out in a phone relationship. You get me say? If it's more affordable for the both of them because no one of them have no whole heap of money,
Yeah.
then say, alright, me can put this, you can put this, you can go rave and enjoy your life and whatever the case is. If one can clearly afford it,
Especially the fact that the
spend
other one
money.
done by the house.
Done by a house, they pay for the
Me just
deposit,
buy a
put in
house
washer,
and
dryer,
you live
sofa,
in it.
stove, all of them little things.
And
The
you're
investments
used to pay
do
for my
well.
vacation.
And no, brother, spend the money.
I never mind you to pay someone for leave. Like, what?
I'm wicked.
Disgusting.
Man, that.
And then,
Okay.
me like the brother say, me pay fees. Dirty boy.
Brother, no, brother, no.
Brother. Go on there with the brother goods.
Don't do that. You don't say they're wicked, but more do fully wrong, you know. If you think about it, but don't do it, because you don't know the parents already and all them little things. So the thing I go look at with family reunion, them little things. Don't do that.
You're far. Very
Don't
far.
do that. But what I say is, the boy wicked.
Alright guys, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave the comments and let me know what you guys think of these situations. Because honestly, brazen. That is the word for today's video. Brazen.
And the Japanese one really show me. I want the brazen, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I want the well brazen.
Wicked bad.
Wicked man.
Alright guys, see you in the next one.